ko na naman sa
Putol-putol ka.
Chapi.
ibutang sa sakat mong pinakauna, be.
Pinakauna.
Oh. Statement of the problem na nasa ko very good.
Sige. Nana, pinakauna na. Sugod na.
Wala pa man statement of the problem, man. Good.
Fitness for life. Oh, title naman ako.
Fitness for life, the impact. Title na.
Na.
Wala lang sa atin, no?
Okay, game na. Start.
GG.
So, good day, everyone. Good day, sir. Our title topic or research title topic is Fitness for Life. The impact of workouts to the holistic development of the students this pandemic. Purpose of communication, code 181. So before we start our objectives, let us introduce ourselves. I am the leader of the group, Danica Sam Cortel, and the rest are Kizea F. Fajardo, Von Rexner Rojas, Lord Joshua Martel, and J. Apolonio. And before we start, the rationale will be presented by J.R. Apolonio.
So, good day, sir. I am the presenter of our research topic rationale. This research entitled Fitness for Life, the Impact of Workouts to the Holistic Development to the Students this Pandemic, is a type of research which finding the issues at our present time at this new normal. For our topic of research, we have chosen to focus on this real deal about fitness of students because this COVID-19, also known as coronavirus, has a big effect on the health sectors, especially the government had already given a rules like wearing face masks, sanitation, and prospect of social distancing for reducing patients. We are also fascinated to learn more about the different ways of workouts and exercise for maintaining the good fitness. So that's all, and the next reporter is
me. So, for our statement of the problem, COVID-19 has impacted different facets of people's lives as highly communicable disease and has dramatically changed the way our process actually function. In embracing the new normal, actions are limited. People cannot be able to do physical activities like going to the gym or for workout, Zumba exercises, and the other types of physical activities. Workouts and exercises is very important, especially that there is an infectious virus spreading worldwide and people with low immune system and not healthy are more prone to this disease. Having a strong immune system and keeping ourselves fit and healthy is a one way to fight this infectious disease. This study is derived from what alternative physical activities we do at home, but can give a big difference from the usual activities that people do. So this study aims to know if workout and exercises can contribute to the holistic development of the students. At the end of this research, the following questions are expected to be answered. What are the changes in student health status before and after doing workout and exercises? What is the impact of COVID-19 to the health status and life of students? How do workouts and exercises can contribute to the holistic development of the students? So for our significance, for the statement of the hypothesis will be presented by Von Rexner Rojas.
So, statement of the hypothesis. Um, it is hypothesized that having regular exercise will keep us away from health issues and can possibly change our life from toxic to healthy life, especially for students amid this pandemic. Um, um, it tells that if we exercise daily, we can avoid we can avoid COVID-19, but not just only COVID-19. If we have healthy life, we are healthy physically and mentally, then it simply means that we can avoid mental issues like depression, stress, and many things that can affect our life. But um, exercise, aside from that, exercise really takes a big part in our lives because to be healthy, number one tip to be healthy is to exercise. And if we exercise daily, then I can assure that you're away from those things that can destroy our tomorrow. That's all. Thank you.
For our significance of the study, will
Scope
a
as scope.
scope and limitation of the study will be presented by Kizea Fajardo.
Kizaya. 40 minutes na lang ba yan?
Sorry. Hindi na kasi nagwala-wala. Nagkita yung PowerPoint.
Sige lang. Basahan na lang. Importante ang tingog.
Diretso lang, Kes.
Kapit lang.
Makita, abi. Hindi ko
Nay,
makita ang PowerPoint.
copy na lang sa inyong draft.
Wala, ano lang, screen sharing screen.
Draft na lang sa inyong kuan.
Okay, wait.
Draft
Wait lang,
mo sa
ah.
draft.
Ito na yun. Kasi, nawala ka na. Ang saksak to ang lagat.
Basahan na lang, Cortel. Mike mo.
Okay. For the scope and limitation of the study, this study focuses on the possible outcome of performing workout exercises towards the holistic development of students, particularly to the college students who engage in extracurricular activities. The data collection will be concluded to the 20% of the total population of the said students at the University of Mindanao. School year 2020 and 2021 to 2021. The data was collected via was carried out between the first semester of the said school year. Several limiting factors pertaining to the study are availability, time, and most especially the internet connection. For our definition of terms, it will presented by Lord Joshua Martel.
So for the definition of terms, first is fitness. Is the state of being physically fit and healthy, includes characteristics including but not limited to mental acuity, cardiorespiratory endurance, muscles, strength, muscle endurance, composition of the body, and flexibility. Second, workout, a session of various physical exercise of training. And lastly, holistic development. Essentially means the development of intellectual, mental, physical, emotional, and social abilities in a child so that he or she capable of facing the demands and challenging of everyday life. And these abilities are vitally important for success and professional fields of work. References.
Okay. Um, that's all. Thank you so much. And that's the end of our presentation.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Okay na to?
stop recording na. Okay na.